Hello, we finally made it out of Illinois and are currently in Indiana at a campground called Shades State Park. We're going to do some hiking today. It's been a little while, and Gary's going to be able to use his new backpack. It's a little overkill, but for now, it's good for us to get used to it. And we're going to enjoy some hikes. We're trying to find the backpacker route to get to the main trails. We didn't want to move the camper today, so we're gonna take a little bit longer hike in instead of going to one of the local parking areas.
Let's see, fix the trash.
The DNR guy said that there's a pretty good backpacking camp this way. We'll have to try that some other time. We're gonna go that way. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is the first of many hundreds of stairs. Whoops. That's not good. Bigger step. There we go. Well, now that makes me less confident about the other stairs. Oh, geez, that's a big step. Aw, our first waterfall.
There's work there.
That was a little rough getting down. Trail 4 rugged. And we're going, and Trail 5 is moderate. Of course we're going the rugged route.
So we can walk a little farther and take Trail 5 up and then come back down too.
Maybe we do that.
Just take 4.
Alright.
Go a little rugged.
Just do it. Yeah, buddy. Wow. Well, that's really cool. You're crazy.
Okay, well, rugged, it's rugged. Challenging, and it's pretty.
It is gorgeous. Look at this.
Walking through the canals.
We be taking the ladders. Oh yeah, that backpack definitely makes your ass look big.
It's cool. Evidently the squirrels like it in here too.
This is so cool. I always get to go first.
And this video is verification that I did not push her. But oops, the ladder fell. The bad part is somebody didn't know angles because they got that triangle a little bit off in order to keep the ladder in place.
You don't need no stinking cable.
Slimy. You're gonna get all muddy.
I don't want to touch it. It is not slimy in any way. It's very rocky. So neat looking. Very neat colors. Okay, you have to come over here and touch it.
Wow. It isn't. It
Not
doesn't.
at all what you would expect,
It feels
right?
like rock. Oh my God, there's a bear in the woods. Definitely have to have good trail shoes over here. And the sun's starting to come out again, so it's making it all nice and pretty looking. We're still walking through the ravine here. Over there taking a break on the log. I think she's stuck. So, where do you see ice? That's not ice, that's foam. That's foam. That's foam. Oh, on the leaves. Sorry, I missed that little tidbit of ice.
Hey, it's ice, man.
We're gonna watch Laura make that. I just made it without falling.
I am going to be totally awesome. I don't know what you're talking about.
We're walking across the Junior Falls.
Yeah?
That's where the trailhead comes into play. And it actually is feeding Sugar Creek. Why go the easy route when you can take the hard route?
This is cool. This is fun unless you have your backpack on and it makes it a lot harder.
Laura hasn't figured out the right side of the walking stick to use yet.
Oh, this is so cool. Like literally it's also cool here, but wow. But look at this. A pavilion just in time for lunch. Drink in, drink out, we're golden. Now I'm dizzy. Shades of death.
Shades of death. Ha ha!
And we're headed out to Prospect Point.
Prospect Point.
Let's see what we got here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Anyone afraid of heights, this is probably the best place to be.
Holy cow, that is awesome.
Wow, we are up high.
We're really high. I think the gym was really nice. It made me feel a lot stronger, but I don't know, this just makes my heart happy.
This is nice. Didn't feel like that high of a climb out of those ravines, so
I agree.
yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, if you're here, definitely make a trek to Prospect Point. None shall pass.
None shall pass. What? None shall pass.
For another day. Oh well. Alright, you were right. I was wrong. I am putting that on camera.
Okay, I know I'm always right.
Oh God, no. Alright, we're gonna turn this off before we start getting into a marital dispute again.
A toilet in shape of a yurt. Yurt, John. Interesting. Anyway, in case you gotta go.
I think the winds are picking up just a
Winds
mite
are picking up just a little bit. I think they're coming off the pond.
Significant lake effect.
Lake effect.
Morning. It's a beautiful day again today. We're leaving Shades State Park. We're headed south. And we kind of have some ideas of where to stop, but not quite sure. The campsites here during the winter months are half price. So we were able to get out of here with $26 for 2 nights. Not too bad. Well, we're on our way to go connect the boat and we'll get on the road. Thanks for coming by and sticking around. We hope you join us next week when we do something, somewhere. Until then, please consider supporting us by subscribing to our channel. That would make Gary happy.
Ha ha!